So I'm up bright and early. I've got a film day today and we're going to be going to Centurion Automotive. It's just started to rain, which is great, and I'm going to try and do a sort of a vlog, a behind the scenes kind of vibe action. Adam's always saying to me, "You got a vlog, you've got a vlog," and I'm like, "All right, Adam." Oh, there was no slapping, but oh man, it's raining. It's going to put me in a good mood, isn't it? It's supposed to be sunny today. God. Anyway, I'm going to get in the car, get to Centurion, and film what we can.
The message from the French fisherman is
here we are.
On.
So I've just parked up at Centurion, and I always come early. I'm here before Adam. We said we'd meet at 11, and it's now past that. And I'm a bit more pumped now. I'm a little bit more pumped. This morning when I got outside my house, I have to be a little bit quiet. I always feel a little bit nervous around my area. Probably because I don't know neighbours and that. It's just weird. But now anyway, I'm out in the world. I'm free. I can get a little bit hyper, get excited for today's shoot. Okay, a bit sunny now, but look who's decided to show. Here he is. Only 1 hour late. Ash, how you doing? You good? We're doing some filming here today. Saved it here for you, mate. There you go, look at that. Ooh! I'm glad he's cleaned his car. Go on, give us a rev. Give it a rev. Hello, it's mate. Good, it's warm. How you feeling? You good? Good, man, you? Yeah, not too bad. Right, let's get cooking. What a gorgeous day. This is what we do, a little walk up. Ash from Bear Car Care. What's up, lads? How are you, mate? You good? Yeah, man. Fist me. We're doing the LB.
What, the i8?
No, we've done that one, the Aventador, yeah. Hoping to do some bit of a walk around with it and take it to Russian Lakes, talk to some people.
Get some public reaction.
Yeah.
Sick. What are you doing? Big things, man. Big things.
Yeah?
Yeah, haven't announced anything yet, but Bear's now part of Centurion.
Oh, no way. So you're going to be working there full time?
Yeah, so basically I'm now going to be Centurion's valet detailer.
Oh, okay.
And then...
I'll edit that bit out, don't worry, mate, until you say, yeah.
So basically what we're doing is currently...
Adam, what do you think about them?
Be honest.
I'm being honest, I do like the look, but a bit underwhelming.
What we're here for?
This is more my thing.
This is more, yeah.
More my thing.
Chavtastic, didn't you call it?
It is chavtastic, yeah.
That's
footballer's wet dream.
Oh, that's what we're here for. That's what we're here for. So the hero piece that we'll film with this car will be on a Friday at 7 PM. So make sure you're subscribed if you're checking out this vlog right now. But that's what we're here for. Incredible. I'd walk around it, but I kind of want to tease you. So let's go inside. Let's say hello. Okay. Say we're here. Let's check out the greeting we get. We're going to try and get it in there first to talk. Morning. How are you? All good? Is Paul in? Is he busy?
He's just on the phone at the minute.
You knew we were coming today, right, though, yeah? Did Liam tell you?
Yeah.
I love Dave's face. He's always like, no. Look at that big GT wing. Let's have a touch. Oh, dry carbon, feels good. That exhaust is mad. I'll talk a little bit about that in the main episode and how much it is. If you want to know how much it is, check out the main episode on this Liberty Walk. Wow. Just in case you didn't know, intake and air goes in there. I like how they've done that. It looks pretty cool. So at the moment we're just waiting because Paul is a very busy man. He's super busy, always appreciative of his time. So this is his courtyard. If you haven't been, it's a great place to come. Loads of cool cars. Look how shiny all those Mustangs are. Super shiny. And loads of Rangers as well. If you haven't seen our video where we race a Ranger, well I don't, I have a Defender, but Paul has the Ranger. That's a great video on our channel as well. Huge motorhome back there. Adam just having a little walk around. But yeah, it's a good day. The rain has stopped. It's sunny again now. It was raining this morning, which kind of brought my mood down a little bit. Always got time for this. Always got time for this. Oh, Cali tea. Oh yeah, we did a video on this as well. Jeez, done a video on everything. So we're inside now. We're going to set up some intro shots, do some B-roll inside of the Centurion sort of takeover bay, I guess. I believe the Lambo's coming in now. So let's hear some noise. There goes my tinnitus, it's just come back. This is the best bit, watching someone get out. Oh mate, graceful, he's done that before. He's done that before. He's a pro, Lambo pro. This is what Adam does in the dark. This is some real BTS right here, look. He got that light from a ghost hunt he went back to in 2016. Stole it from the ghost hunters and he thought it'd be good on this shoot. To kind of be in the dark with a Lamborghini and just me flashing his light, filming a bit, flashing his light, filming a bit. Look at that. One hand on the wall to steady himself, sign of a true professional. This is cool. It's really dark, ominous, romantic. Look at that. It's got to be one of my favourite things of the car. Backlit seal saying Liberty Walk or LB Star Performance. We have, and just busy people inside doing bits. So we're just getting ready to do our intro walk around for this piece. I am going to walk around the Aventador. This is the mic that we use. We always double up. We have a little mic here. And also this one, as you can see on my jacket, I'm wearing black, blends in, smart, always work smarter, not harder. So I'm going to do a little walk around here, which you'll see in the main video. Just telling you some facts about this car, how it came to be about, because actually a father watching his son in his bedroom, nothing like that, it's actually playing on his Xbox, but you'll have to check out the main video to find out more of the story. Okay, that is a wrap on the intro walk around shot of the. That's looking nice in the sun. It's just mad when that has dropped. You literally can't get any fingers in. I tried to get my biggest finger in there, and just would not fit. So anyway, we're going to go take it out now, and I think we're going to take it to a town and try and chat to as many people as possible, just to kind of see what they think about the car, like what emotions come out of them. Do they think it's worth the price, 365,000? Would you rather a house over this? And also just seeing if we can get any subs out of them as well. That's the main thing, right? Okay, Adam, talk to me. How's the shoot going?
It's going well, it's going well.
We've just done the intro. We're going to do an exhaust shot next. Try not to burn our ears off. Come on, lads, give us some entertainment.
I don't know what to do.
This is... Look, there's an Avora.
Entertainment, that's what people
Yeah, look. Oh, you can't swear. Just because it's a vlog doesn't mean you can swear.
swear. What swear word did I say?
I can't remember. I'm going to have to bleep it out.
Exactly.
Bit of an update. We want to show you this exhaust and we want to show you it flaming. But what have we had to do, Adam?
We've had to go get fuel for, haven't we?
Point the fuel that we've just had to go and get.
This is what we've just kind of got.
V-Power, baby.
Not sure it's going to touch the sides. But
Oh, hello.
We can see a rev.
So we've gone to get these fuel cans so we can put it in this car so we can give you guys an exhaust note and actually see those 5-foot flames. So we're going to put them in to that car. Let's hope it's also on the main episode. We got the fuel, Greg. We got the fuel. We got the fuel.
That's premium.
Yeah, of course it is, mate. It's diesel, V-Power diesel, yeah? So I'm sitting inside the Liberty Walk Aventador at the moment, and just a little bit of waiting around to try and see if we can get some drone shots and some passing shots. I would love to have a go in this thing. It feels very intimidating inside. The roof is very cramped, although my legroom isn't too bad. Steering wheel looks really great. The Alcantara really makes it pop, and it's not worn either. Sometimes you see Alcantara and when it wears and it's a bit off-putting. Column mounted gear paddles are cool, really angular and sharp. Just reminds me of the Stelvio, but these are just a little bit different, a bit more angular. But I just thought I'd vlog a little bit in the car, in the passenger seat, doing the waiting around bit. It's not always shoot, go, shoot, go, shoot, go. There is some waiting around bits and a little bit of a lull. Liberty Walk have spent time and care reworking all this material in here. This was a stock Lambo from Edinburgh, and it's got Alcantara, yellow stitching, Liberty Walk on the headrest, Alcantara roof, Napa leather, the seats are comfy. The exhaust is mad. When you hear the exhaust on the main episode, oh, let me know what you think in the comments, because it is super, so good. But it's been a great day. It's been good to get out and get some more filming bits done. So yeah, I think this will be a good episode. Right, Adam's off now. Sum up today.
Slow.
Oh, slow. Lot of waiting around. Come on then, let's watch him reverse, because he's the worst reverser in the world. Looks nice colour in this, actually. Looks a bit different from what I'm looking at now. Burnout on the rubble. on the gravel. A Bentley behind, yeah, don't do that. See ya! See you later. And just like that, off he goes, out of my life. That has been a wrap for today's shoot. I'm gonna jump in my car now. Well, what can I say about today? It's been an interesting one. We wanted to take the Lamborghini Aventador to a town or like a supermarket area just to get some public reactions, but unfortunately we didn't get to do that. We ran out of time. The one person we needed to drive the car unfortunately couldn't do it, but we're going to come back. We're going to come back. Hopefully Adam's going to work his editing magic. He's an absolute wizard. You're a wizard, Harry. You're a wizard. Harry Potter reference if you're a fan. I like the films. I'm going to turn my car on. Okay, now it's on, and I'm going to chip Douglas, which means go home. Hopefully some of it's been enjoyable. As always, throw me a like, comment down below, get subbed. So get yourself subbed, tell your friends, tell your family, and I'll see you on the next one.